Hello guys, what we have today is a Xiaomi latest hot gadget, Xiaomi Tag. So I just get this today. So I bought in Malaysia, so Xiaomi Technology Malaysia. So this will serve as an unboxing video, a simple unboxing video. So let's open it up. So let's take a look what inside the box. So firstly we have a Xiaomi Tag user manual. So user manual. Okay, and then what else inside the box? Okay, so it's empty. So this is the Xiaomi Tag. So let's take it out. So it's very tiny. So I tear the plastic. Oh, so I accidentally activate it. So this is the tag. I can feel that it's quite lightweight. So reset. So it's just around 9.5 grams. So this is the exterior. Okay, so after that I will try to pair it with my phone to see what's the function of this Xiaomi Tag. If you guys have any question want to ask or anything want me to show you guys, please leave it in the comment below.